Welcome back to House Hunt Daily, where we explore interesting and affordable homes for sale across the United States. Today we're visiting the Midwest to look at 7 homes for sale in Kansas. These properties offer surprising space, classic character, and opportunities for buyers searching for budget-friendly homes with potential. Let's begin today's home tour. Number 1. Stockton, Kansas, $60,000. Our first stop is in Stockton, Kansas, where this property is listed for $60,000 and offers 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and approximately 1,545 square feet of living space. This home presents a unique opportunity for buyers who enjoy renovation projects. With 5 bedrooms, the layout provides plenty of space for family living, guest rooms, or even a home office setup. Inside, the home features hardwood floors, adding classic character and warmth to the interior. One of the standout features is the large, welcoming front porch, which creates a perfect place to relax outdoors, greet neighbors, or enjoy quiet evenings. With more than 1,500 square feet of living space, this property offers a solid foundation for creative updates and personal design choices. While it is being sold as is, it presents a great opportunity for buyers looking at homes for sale that offer room to build value over time. Number 2. Iola, Kansas, $80,000. Next, we travel to Iola, Kansas, where this spacious property is listed at $80,000 and offers an impressive 6 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2,872 square feet of living space. This large family home sits close to downtown Iola, offering convenient access to local shops, restaurants, and community amenities. Inside, the home features beautiful original woodwork and classic wood flooring, giving it a timeless character that many older homes are known for. The generous layout provides multiple bedrooms and living spaces, making it ideal for large households or buyers who need extra rooms for work, hobbies, or guests. With nearly 3,000 square feet of interior space, this property offers exceptional value compared to many other homes for sale in this price range. For buyers looking for space, charm, and potential, this home in Iola is certainly worth exploring. Number 3. Arkansas City, Kansas, $70,000. Our third property takes us to Arkansas City, Kansas, where this home is listed for $70,000 and offers 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and around 1,300 square feet of living space. This home already features several updates, including a recently updated bathroom and a roof that was replaced about 4 years ago, giving buyers a helpful starting point. Inside, the layout includes a welcoming living room with wood flooring, along with a kitchen area that offers room for customization. Since appliances have not yet been installed, the next owner has the flexibility to design the kitchen exactly to their own style and preferences. The bedrooms provide comfortable space, and the main-level laundry adds everyday convenience. For buyers browsing homes for sale in Kansas with renovation potential, this property offers a chance to add personal touches and make the space truly feel like home. Number 4. Westphalia, Kansas, $52,000. Next, we visit Westphalia, Kansas, where this home is listed for $52,000 and sits on almost half an acre of land, offering 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 1,216 square feet of living space. This property has already seen several updates, including newer windows, updated flooring, and a newer central heating and air system. Much of the plumbing has also been replaced, which can be a valuable improvement for long-term maintenance. The home features charming architectural touches, such as arched doorways and antique lighting fixtures, giving the space a unique character. One of the most versatile rooms in the home is the large laundry room, which could easily double as a workspace, craft room, office area, or additional storage space. Outside, the property includes a 528 square foot 2-car garage with concrete flooring and electricity, offering excellent space for parking, tools, or hobbies. Among the many homes for sale in Kansas, this property stands out for its land size and character at an affordable price. Number 5. Wellington, Kansas, $75,000. Our fifth stop brings us to Wellington, Kansas, where this home is listed for $75,000 and offers 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and approximately 802 square feet of living space. This property has already received several important upgrades, making it an appealing option for buyers seeking a move-in ready home. Recent improvements include a new HVAC system with a transferable warranty, a new roof, new flooring, and updated electrical and plumbing systems. The home also features fresh interior and exterior paint, creating a clean and refreshed appearance. Newer windows help improve energy efficiency, and the home includes a partial unfinished basement, which provides extra storage or future potential. Outside, the property features a large private backyard, offering space for outdoor relaxation, gardening, or entertaining. Among affordable homes for sale in Wellington, this property offers modern updates and practical improvements. Number 6. Coffeyville, Kansas, $65,000. Next, we head to Coffeyville, Kansas, where this charming home is listed for $65,000 and offers 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and about 1,495 square feet of living space. Originally built in 1910, this home blends historic charm with thoughtful updates. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice the original hardwood floors and classic wood trim windows, which add warmth and timeless character to the space. Fresh interior paint brightens the home and gives it a welcoming feel. Major updates have already been completed, including new windows and a new roof, providing long-term value and peace of mind. The home is conveniently located near local schools, parks, and everyday conveniences. Popular nearby destinations such as Pfister Park and Walter Johnson Park offer playgrounds, walking trails, sports facilities, and an aquatic center. For buyers searching for affordable homes for sale with personality and history, this Coffeyville property offers both charm and opportunity. Number 7. Chanute, Kansas, $79,900. Our final stop today takes us to Chanute, Kansas, where this well-maintained home is listed for $79,900 and offers 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and approximately 1,103 square feet. This home captures the charm of classic American architecture while still offering practical features for modern living. A covered front porch welcomes you into the home, providing a cozy outdoor space for relaxing. Inside, you'll find original hardwood floors, leaded glass windows, beautiful woodwork, and solid pocket doors, all of which contribute to the home's historic character. The layout includes a comfortable living room, dining room, and an eat-in kitchen, and the kitchen appliances are already included. One of the most exciting features is the large unfinished attic, accessible by staircase, which offers potential for additional living space if finished in the future. The property also includes a partial basement, attached garage with workshop space, and a privacy-fenced backyard, making it both functional and comfortable. Among homes for sale in Kansas, this property offers a unique combination of charm, character, and potential. Those were 7 affordable homes for sale in Kansas, each offering different opportunities, from historic charm to renovation potential and spacious layouts. If you enjoy discovering affordable homes for sale across the United States, be sure to subscribe to House Hunt Daily for more property tours and real estate highlights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next home hunt.